If there's one thing Perth is remembered for, it's our gorgeous coastline with over 195 kilometres of sun, sea and white sands just waiting to be enjoyed all summer long. And what better way to enjoy the sunshine than a coastal bike ride to check out some of the city's best beaches. With bike paths running from Freo to Malalu, there's no shortage of trails for you to explore. So grab your bike, bathers and get ready for a day of beach hopping. The first stop on my ride today is City Beach. This beautiful white sandy beach has earned itself the title of Perth's best beach many times in recent years. And it's not hard to see why, with family-friendly swimming spots, surf breaks, beautifully landscaped recreational facilities and fine dining options, making it the perfect place to start your coastal ride. Next up on our bike tour is one of WA's most popular beaches, Scarborough Beach. With regular swell, impressive surf breaks and a long stretch of white sand, this iconic spot attracts swimmers, surfers and families alike. It's also home to great food and sweet treats like Dumbo Gelato and exciting bars like El Grotto. The redevelopment has really brought this foreshore back to life. Ask any kid that's been to the skate park and they'll tell you it's well worth a visit. Or you could try your hand at rock climbing. Continuing north on our coast bike tour, we'll take you to one of the most popular surf breaks in town, Rigg Beach. On a nice summer day, this beach swarms with surfers and boogie boarders, making the most of the reef break. In short, swimmers enjoy the turquoise water and sandy white beach. As well as swimming and surfing, Rigg is also a popular spot for fishing and bird watching, with a variety of species calling these rocky limestone outcrops home. For the final stop on our bike tour, we visit Malalu, another popular swimming beach, ideal for kids of all ages. Cool off in the crystal clear water, then finish off the day with a coffee or cocktail at the casual, family-friendly Swell Cafe. With public transport options close by, you can finish your ride here and make your way back to the city to wrap up a day of beach hopping along our gorgeous Perth coastline.